Hello everyone, in this video I solved this math question. It is a nice calculus question. This integration question is integral 1 over 1 plus sin x dx. So now I solve this question. I multiply denominator and numerator 1 minus sin x. So 1 minus sin x, here is 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x dx. Now, according to algebra rules, we know that a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. I follow this formula in this line. If you think it is a, it is b, and it is a, it is b, you can say a plus b, a minus b. So a minus a square minus b square. Here is b is sine, so sine square, and here is 1 minus sin x dx. Now, we know that 1 minus sin square x equal to cos square x, and here is 1 minus sin x dx. Now, integral 1 over cos square x minus sin x over cos square x dx. Now, I can say, we know that 1 over cos square x equal to sec square x. So sec square x minus, here is sin x. So if I evaluate it, I can say 1 over cos x times sin x over cos x dx. Now, I can say integral, here is sec square x dx minus, here is 1 over cos x. Know that 1 over cos x equal to sec x. Here is sin x by cos x equal to tan x dx. Now, we know that sec square x equal to tan x. I mean integral sec square x equal to tan x, and minus integral sec x tan x equal to sec x plus c. This is the answer. Thank you all.